Hey guys, it's Brandon's Bullish and I'm back with another video. Hope you guys all had a good weekend and hope you have a good trading week as well. So let's get into this. We're looking at spot on the 15 first off. What do we see? Post market we see some consolidation at the top of the supply zone, then falls, consolidation around the VWAP. Right now we're at this supply zone at 662. What I would like to see, honestly, I think the best play is for it to fall on open to this supply and then find some buyers. We've seen it reject from here 3 times, 1, 2, 3. So I think this is a good place to take a call, and I would ride this to 663.50. I think that would be a good play. If this doesn't fall, still look for 663.50 as your mark or whatnot, or as your point of interest. Still look for that. But that's what I'm looking for SPY. Let's go to Nvidia. Okay, so Nvidia pretty much did the same thing, consolidated and then fell. We see it hold right on this supply. So I think a good play would be if it fell and held the VWAP or the top of this demand zone. That would look like very good support. And then my point of interest would be 176.50. So if it does fall again, or if it does keep going regardless, look for 176.50. If this does fall somehow, look for 173.50. Okay, let's go to Apple lastly. Apple's kind of in this bigger supply zone. There isn't really anything overhead, so I have to look out, and that's why this zone is this big. But if Apple's just been rising, so I would like for it to fall as well, maybe back to the top of this 247 basically flat, and then I would look for 250. I think that's 250. I would look for 250. If this does fall, we have a demand at 242, and then we have a big demand zone at 240 to 238. So yeah, I think last but not least, let's look at some news. We had news at 9:45. We had news at 10, 12, blah 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 blah. Hope you guys all have a good trading day and stay bullish.